Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the access point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have some of our fine bi-directional tanks, which mean that you can mount it on either side depending on the inlet that goes in. The different style machine, there's the compact series, which actually comes in on the left, and the return line on the other SE series comes on the right. So there's no need to have to worry about connection. You can shorten the connections, make it more proficient and better CFM without a lot of long hoses. So we made it very handy with our tanks. We made it so that you have two pedestals and you're able to get the drop basket to go on that side or that side, depending on which side is the inlet side. Very well built tanks, very high quality. It's hard to find precision these days and high quality parts, and that's what we're all about at Blue Baron. There are some of our filter boxes. We've been really very busy in 2022. This is toward the end of the year in December. We have a full line of truck mounts that we're finishing up on. We have a 45 SE that we're completely done with. We've got a combo unit that will be done in a week, and all have Kohler engines on them. We are also using the Honda type motors, carbureted motors as well. We use EFI as well, but in this case, this is what we're using on these 45 series. This is a 47 XL, by the way, with a 37 horse Kohler. It's a real brute of a machine, very powerful. All of them are powerful, even the smaller compact series. Okay, we're finishing up on the compact 45 here. We have a fully finished 36, compact 36, coming out really nice, came out real nice. Again, we use high quality parts, bar stock, stainless steel headers, belt guards for safety, our famous access point heat exchanger, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, and just everything is here that will give you the right kind of equipment to last a long time. Look at that beautiful front panel, and everything is here. We even have an instructional guide that's down at the bottom, all the operational gauges that you need in order to know your run time for your tachometer. You have last step injection with your acrylic flow meter, a GPH feed of chemical. Then you have your temperature, and then you have your pressure gauge, and then you have your HGs of vacuum. And everything is really just beautifully put together. It's just well organized. We build well organized machines. We want simplicity, we want performance, and we want ease of operation and maintenance. And that means that you build a system that is open concept, easy breathe, super high quality plate. There's no one in the industry that builds this. We have acoustic dampening down here for our acoustic muffling system that cuts out the high decibels in areas that are noise sensitive. Look at this. Beautiful stainless. A lot of companies aren't paying for this. They don't want, even if you're paying the real high price, which is a lot of these companies, because they got middlemen in the middle. We're factory, and we can put in the higher quality parts because we have no middleman, and that's the most important part of it. And this is a very durable Honda style engine called the Duromax. It's 23 horsepower. It's got a super high quality cooler, heavy duty. It's just a beautifully laid out machine, like all of them. We have another one here in red that we're finishing up. Can come in any color that you'd like for your company theme color. And easy to replace belts on these units. Easy to get under the skirting to unloosen the bolts in order to pull back the blower and loosen up the belts to take them off and replace them. And then you've got your belt guide, which is your angular adjustment here. You pull back here for your tensioner. We have the thermal A and B. These go to your tank. Basically, that goes to your thermal solenoid, and this goes to your basic drain side on the other side. All of them are labeled, so when you say thermal A, that's going to coincide to thermal A on your tank, and drain B the same thing. And we have these high pressure hoses that we use. And they're JIC, military stated Navy flare, 37 degrees flare, real super high quality. I mean, they use these in high pressured brake lines and throughout high pressured applications. Here we have a water box, beautifully decorated with diamond plate, real sharp looking machine. Look at this, high quality 316L, all TIG welded, coming down through a 1 7/8 flex hose, which, by the way, we have these hoses custom built for the industry. Very hard to get these. We're a company that can actually get parts that other companies cannot get. We build our own heat exchangers. We got our access point heat exchanger, which has been in existence for quite a number of years now, worldwide recognized, even sold to John Donne for the ProChem aftermarkets and to end users all around Ramsco. End users, modern power operations, all have recognized our heaters for durability, high pressure rating, and performance. So as you see, everything is well organized, easy to get into. We got last step injection, our AR pumps, 24 millimeter shaft, really great pressure, very resilient against the heat. So as you see, it's easy to service this unit. And we brought it to other distributors. They've seen them, like even Ramsco out in Orlando, and they've said, wow, this thing is really well organized and easy to work on. It's just, everything is here. So I had one of my friends from up in Weirsdale, who's one of my testimonials, and he owns a Compact 45. He's owned for 4 years, and he finally changed the belts. 4 years of rigorous operation, going out every day, doing the villages and doing many other commercial places, and he has had a tremendous amount of luck with this unit. He also bought the inline filter box that comes with it and the 100-gallon tank that's associated with it. And we're just really excited for what we're doing in the industry. Got a lot of orders coming in. I know there's darkness on this video. It's not easy to see because the sun is starting to go down. But as you see, everything's well organized. Another access point heat exchanger, primary heater. And like I said, we take a lot of pride in what we do. And you can go on the store or apply online at Clickly, secured line, and they can get you hooked up to a good terms and be able to get the payments to where you can afford them. And they're quick decision. They do not waste time. When they give you a decision, it's the same, usually the same day. And look at this beautiful red. I mean, whatever color you want, but this color is really nice. Also, we've done them in orange. And when you go on our store, Truck Mount store, you'll see an orange one doing a performance test on the pressure. So everything that we say, we can prove. Okay, and I've been building for 17 years. I've been in 43 years in the industry. I'm a veteran of the Armed Forces. I was in the Air Force, and I learned telecom, teletypewriters, so I was a heavy mechanical guy, trained, and I enjoy anything that's electromechanical. I put a lot of time into it and a lot of creativity, but again, I've been in this industry for 43 years, and I've had other truck mounts, so I know what I'm building, and I know what the comparison is between one and the other. The beauty is no louvered covers, because you have louvered covers, you have trapped heat. It may look okay, but when it comes down to serviceability, a lot of high tension and pressure. I mean, just to change a belt. And I've heard situations where even on a ProChem, back when they were in business, they would charge an enormous amount of money, let's say John Donne, $900 just to change belts. That shouldn't happen here. It should be pennies on the dollar in comparison. And as far as the time element, you don't have to pick a number to wait just so that they get to your unit and then later on charge you an enormous amount of money. The key is you want to be able to fix your own equipment. Okay? You want to be able to access parts. You want to be able to change out belts without getting all stressed out. Remember, Miss Jones is waiting for you to fix the machine. She's got something, a job that needs to be done before her relatives come over, okay? So You got to be able to pull that machine together, change the belt out, and then come back so to, recover the lost time. But what you don't want to do is lose business. And if they see that you can pull it together and fix your machine in a reasonable time, you've saved that account and you got more jobs to do. So anyway, this is what we got, and these are, again, beautiful machines that we love building. Been doing this for a long time, 17-year builder. And if you have any questions, call us at 727-505-2989 or go on our store 24/7 at truckmountstore.com. My name is Pete, and I'm the originator and owner and builder and designer of the Blue Baron truck mounts. 727-505-2989. Thank you.